Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DARE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. First area of support is going to be nothing complicated, nothing fancy at all, other than the fact that, where the pullback today finally stopped, and that was right here at about $1.85, give or take a few cents. But you can see during the big pullback here, that's where the price bounced, and then once again in the afternoon, once again the price bounced right off that area. So $1.84, $1.85, whatever you want to call it, is going to be that near-term level of support going into Tuesday. In the event the price can not hold up above there, then as a trader, you got to get a little bit more proactive, because the next level of support you'd want to keep an eye on is the purple line down here, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So yes, right now the value is at $1.21, but that level and therefore that value is going to move and change as Tuesday and Wednesday play out. That line is going to move itself higher and higher. Now, this may all be irrelevant. I mean, if the price stays up above $1.85, then none of this is necessarily going to matter. But in the event the price does drop below $1.85, then you'll just have to kind of take an inventory check and see what the current value of the 50-period moving average is at that point in time. So again, $1.85, that near-term level of support, and then if that doesn't hold, keep an eye out on the 50-period simple moving average. What about levels of resistance? I mean, to give credit where credit's due, essentially all afternoon long, the price has just gone sideways. So if this is some sort of bottom forming before the price makes another attempt back upwards, let's talk about a couple of areas where the price may find some resistance on the way up. Initial area is just essentially going to be basically right where the top of this little channel pattern formed all afternoon long, right here at $2.30. So 230 will be that first key bridge that needs to be crossed. If the price can push up through there, then the next key level after 230, right up around the $2.50 mark. So anyway, look at it though. Great movement today, great volume, a lot of volatility in this one. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of eyeballs watching this one on Tuesday. So let's see how it continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.